If you're planning to travel and want to save money on flights, Google Flights is one of the fastest and most powerful tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find cheap flights using Google Flights step by step, even if you've never used it before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to search for flights, compare prices across airlines, and use a few helpful features that can help you find the lowest fares available. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Flights website. On the home page, you'll see the flight search section. Start by entering your departure airport in the From field and your destination in the To field. After that, choose whether you want a one-way trip, round trip, or multi-city flight. Then, select your travel dates and the number of passengers traveling. Once everything is entered, click the search button to view the available flights. Google Flights will now display a list of flights from different airlines along with their prices and travel times. One useful feature is the price graph and date grid. These tools show you how prices change depending on the travel dates. If your schedule is flexible, you can quickly see which days offer the cheapest flights and adjust your dates accordingly to save money. You can also use filters to refine your search results. For example, you can filter flights by number of stops, airline, departure time, arrival time, or price range. This helps you narrow down the results and quickly find flights that fit your schedule and budget. Sometimes flights with one stop are cheaper than direct flights, so checking different options can help reduce the total cost. Another helpful feature is price tracking. If you're not ready to book immediately, you can turn on the price tracking option for your route. Google Flights will send you notifications when the price goes up or down, helping you book at the right time. When you find a flight that fits your budget, click on it to see more details. Google Flights will show you different booking options through airlines or travel websites. Choose the option that works best for you and follow the link to complete your booking. Summary: in this tutorial, we learn how to find cheap flights using Google Flights by searching routes, checking flexible travel dates, comparing airline prices, using filters, and enabling price tracking. These features help travelers quickly identify the best flight deals and book tickets at lower prices. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.